Hey everybody out there, my name is Tommy and this is my channel, Counting on the Big Sleep, where we are counting down the days to the final end. Sunday afternoon here, worked all last night, sitting at the woods, enjoying what we can of this day. Little coffee. Oh Lord. So, how's everybody doing out there? We got some geese out here. Let's see. We got somewhere out there walking around. Shit. So, let's see here. Been working out of town. I drive about 42 miles one way every day, or not every day, but about 4 days out of the week, and then 42 miles back. An hour there, an hour back. Taking its toll on me and the car. So hopefully find something closer around here. Just want to save up enough money and I don't know, maybe in October head out towards Phoenix or something. Get out of the Chicago winter. But it depends on where I'm working at and shit. What I'm doing. Oh. Oh, gas prices not too. I'm gonna say not too bad, but in Indiana, where I'm at, where I'm about at, found it for $3.99. Oh, and $3.89 actually. Found it for $3.89. I was like, woo! All right. Because everywhere else, it's close to $5. $5 a gallon. It's like, what the fuck? Especially when you have to drive over 80 miles just to get to work, not just to get, work and back. Looking at maybe a newer car. Maybe not newer, but Toyota Sienna. Another like a minivan. Something I could put a little bed in there, do a little, minivan living. See if I can't save up some money that way. Seeing people walking around out there and enjoying their day. Also looking at some new apartments. See how much they want. I think it was like 1 bedroom. I think it was asking for like $1,000 a month. I'm like, damn, for a 1 bedroom. I mean, there was a time when I could get a 2 bedroom for about $800 a month. Now you can't get shit. So, you can't tell me that, that whoever's in charge is always going to blame it on the guy that came before him. Because that's what basically Trump is, blaming, oh, Joe Biden screwed everything up. Blah, blah. Yeah, well, okay. Alright. Well, you've been in there long enough. And it seems like you're fucking it up even more. Guy ran on not starting any wars, has started some. He's bending over, kissing Putin's ass. He's just, And there's still morons out there that support him. So, fuck off. Fuck off. Oh. That's the one thing I disliked about the Republican Party. They were hypocrites. A lot of them are hypocrites. I mean, the Democratic Party, they're a bunch of thieves. You know? Well, both parties suck. That's why it's not even worth voting for. You know? But at least with Democrats, you know, you can get, you know, there are more social programs to help people. Republicans always say you gotta pull yourself up by your own bootstraps. There's a lot of people out there that don't even have boots anymore. You kidding? No, I understand it completely. No. The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. That's alright. It's all gonna collapse very soon. You know, when people, you know, stop trusting the water that comes out of their sink, you know society is collapsing. You know it. But yeah, Arizona sounded kind of nice. Go out somewhere, you know, close to the Colorado River, somewhere out there. But I definitely need a new vehicle for that, that's for sure. You know? Oh. The older I get, the less I understand. That's for sure. But it is a nice day out. Nice day to get outside. It's my day off. Thank God. Thank God. My day off. I'm fucking tired. Beat. Oh. But slowly but surely putting things together to figure out what my next move might be. At least it's summertime. Summertime I like. I don't mind at all. I mean, it could be 120 degrees out there. I don't care. I will take 120 degrees over below zero any day. Any day. I can always go to the beach and cool off. I wonder if you can swim in the Colorado River, or if it's just like rafting and stuff. Oh man. But yeah, sky's clearing up pretty good. Let's see up there. Sky's clearing up. Nobody really out too much right now. Try to get that a little straighter. You know. So how do you relax on your days off? If you have a day off. A lot of people out there are working 7 days a week. I am definitely tired of working. You know, if I could figure out a way to make money without having to work, I'd do it. I want to thank all the subscribers that I've gotten lately. You know, moving up the ladder a little bit. Been doing a lot of collab work, you know, shorts. There's a lot of good stuff out there to help build up subscriber base and stuff. You know, I just gotta find interesting topics to talk about, that's all. And since I'm not really heavily into politics, I don't really talk too much about it. I mean, no matter who's in there, they're all terrible. You know? You can't tell me that Trump is the best president ever. He's the fucking one of the worst. My God, is he one of the worst? You know? But like I said, it's all collapsing. And it didn't start with Trump. It started a long time ago. Once people stop trusting their tap water, you know society's collapsing. But yeah, then thinking about doing a little minivan life for a while. I think that'd be alright. You know, get a nice newer minivan, put a little bed in the back. You know, of course, indoor plumbing would be nice somewhere. But you can always go to like a truck stop and, you know, pay for a shower, because they got showers there and stuff. But now I've been just renting a room in a house. The guy's alright. You know, got a couple of like roommates, people live up there. They're alright, everybody's cool. Nobody bothers each other. You know. So. And in Indiana, you know, like I said, the gas is a little cheaper. So is the food, actually. It is. I gotta go and take my son to go look for mattresses today. Got a bad back. Wants a new mattress. Asking me, you know, how much you think it would cost? I'm like, what the fuck? How am I supposed to know? No, I don't work for a mattress company. Yeah, slowly but surely, society is collapsing. A lot less opportunities out there for people. I seen one story where the lady hired contractors to work on her roof. She hired a bunch of Hispanic people. And right when they finished the job, she called ICE and had them arrested. And then the cops came in and arrested her, because apparently you can't do that. You can't hire illegal workers and then call ICE on them. Not pay the bill, you know? Some people are just scumbags. I have not met too many decent people out there. Everyone's got their own issues. But I just wanted to come on and say hi and say thank you for all the new subscribers that I've gotten so far. Just one of my channels. Got another one called Tommy K, Gaming for Old People. Playing some video games on that one. And then a couple other channels I gotta work on. Might as well. I gotta set up that buy me a cup of coffee thing, man. Definitely. But alright, it's been about almost 15 minutes into this video, and I'm sure half the people have already tuned out and turned off. I'm pretty bored, you know. But just wanted to come on, say hi, and thanks for all the new subscribers. Try to keep politics out of this and stuff, you know. But alright, everybody, you guys have a good day. You can take care. Later.